Hey everyone, today we're going to do a tutorial on how to set up a Golang development environment. So the first thing you want to do is go over to golang.org, check out the programming language, the documentation. For now we're just going to go here. I'm using Linux, so I'm going to install this version of Go. I've got some scripts prepared, so I'll just run those now. I'm going to download Go, then I'll extract it and set some paths. So we'll download Go there. We'll extract Go here. Then in my home directory, I'm going to make a directory called Go, and then I'm going to export some variables. All of these are available in the description. Okay, we're ready to roll. Go. I'm using VSCode. I recommend VSCode. It's pretty good. It's got a nice extension for Golang. I'm just going to reinstall it real quick. Since I already had it installed, there's Go, install it in Ubuntu. Okay. So now we're going to make a Golang file and get going with it. So let's just get it running. Actually, first of all, it's trying to prompt me to install some stuff. Go ahead and install all this tooling. And if you go to the getting started, you can just find this script let's get to hello world. And if you look down here, not all Go tools installed in the GOPATH. You can go ahead and install those. And that should allow me to debug and get the IntelliSense that I need. So let's see if this thing runs. Oh yeah, I need to do go mod init, and we'll call it Golang tutorial. Hello world. Ready to roll. So let's see if we can debug our app. It's always nice to have debugging set up. So cool. So we can hit breakpoints in our Go app. And now let's go ahead and let's create a Go module. Go modules allow us to structure our app and organize it into modules. So okay, let's do a classic like algorithm or something like that, and then we'll import it into main.go and run it. Also, we'll do utils test.go. Okay, so first I'm just going to set up the test. Golang has a nice testing module, and we'll call it test. Whoops. Let's test reverse. Let's do a reverse string function. I was just working with that recently. So what you want to do is import or set the testing parameter. Okay, and so let's set up like an input string. So what we'll do is we'll write a function that will take an input string and reverse it. And then we'll do awesome, because that's easy. And then if it's reversed, it should read EMOSEWA. So A W E then this will be the return. This is what the got will be what the function returns, and we'll call the function reverse, and we'll write it in a second. And that'll consume the string. Okay, so we got the function set up, and so if my return, if the string that I get returned doesn't equal that reverse string, then we know something's up. It's not working right. And so we'll just, let us know in the unit test. Okay, so we got the test set up. Now we just gotta go write the reverse function. And let's see how I do this. Reverse. And it'll be of type string, and it'll return a string. And so we'll say if the length of this string is less than or equal to 1, return the string. So if it's just 1 or 0, we're just going to return it because there's nothing to reverse. And then we'll go ahead and set up the recursive function. Alright, so now what we want to do is take the string, it's essentially an array, and we just want to slice out the first piece and return the rest. And then we also want to add so when this function, when this recursive function puts the functions in the stack, we also need to include we want this to run. Let's see, so we want to take and collect the first character of the string. Okay, I think I'm looking at that right. And we'll find out when we run the test. So that's a nice reason to write the test first. Right, so and then with that delve, it's really cool because you just get these little, I can just debug the test, hit a breakpoint, and looks like it worked, right? So the test passed. So, and when I'm writing tests, I always make it fail just real quick, just to make sure that it's gonna fail. Okay, so it failed, so now we can flip it back. It's working as it should. Right, and then, alright, so we got our little function, we created a Golang module, we wrote a test, and now we can use that Golang module in another file. So I need to import that module. What did I call it? Golang tutorial. Golang tutorial utils. And I'll just say, okay, we're going to reverse the string awesome. And that should do it. Let's see what we got here. And works. So that's how you set up that's how you install Golang on Linux. It's easy to install on all the other OSs. And then how to create a Golang module, write the unit test for it, and then import the module into another file and use it.